this is what we're starting with. And yes, I need to tone my hair. It's a mess right now. So that's where we're starting. All right, we have step 2, which is sectioning off the hair. I feel like a Teletubby. The only thing I did differently was I had the back in 2 sections because my hair is very thick, and when I tried to cut it into layers before, I found that to be a problem. So we're trying it with 2 sections. So I haven't got it perfected just yet, but this is where we are now. Okay, so we're getting ready to make our first cut. He came up like an inch and a half. I'm gonna go a little bit longer than that. So my finger is about maybe 2 inches. We're gonna angle it. And okay, wish me luck here. I'm crazy. I've lost my mind. Okay, there we go. First cut done. Now we gotta thin it out some. So put that down. Okay. And we're gonna do the little kind of cutting into it in a point. Just try to soften it up. I'm not gonna be able to do this on camera probably, because I can't really tell what I'm doing. So give me a second to work on that. All right, so for the side, I've decided I'm gonna go about 3 inches from the tie. I'm just measuring that with my finger. So we're gonna go right here. And again, my hair is so thick, it's gonna be hard to get through this. All right, here we go. So make sure I get my angle right here. About 45 degrees. And there we go. Next section off. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. All right, and again, we're gonna need to do the little pointer cut. Can't really see. What I'm doing. So again, I will do that off camera. Okay, so here we are with the 2 sides. I went ahead and did both sides. Getting ready to do the back. And I just want to show you where we were. Again, I know my hair not only look crazy like this, I need to tone it and all. So I wanted to wait till after I cut it to tone it. But we're going to do basically the same thing, just doing it in the back. And I'll be able to, I feel like the back will be easier because I can kind of do them, you know, compare them to make sure they're equal in length. So we'll give it a go. So here we are. All have been cut. I guess I'm about to take it down. My daughter just FaceTimed me and told me I look like Angelica's doll from Rugrats, or Coolio. But here's the hair I cut off. It's probably about an inch thick. But there you go. we'll see. Okay, I'm about to take it down. I'm just gonna do that here because why not? You know, my daughter's freaking out because she has a terrible time with her hair. And so then won't grow. And she's like, I can't believe you're doing that. But you know what? For me, it's just hair. And God willing, it will grow back. And if it's just terrible, terrible, I guess I can always go to somewhere and try to get it fixed. I have a feeling this isn't going to look as pretty as when they do it on camera. Yeah, I desperately need to wash my hair anyway. But wow, okay. It's short. Really short. Like way shorter than I planned for it to be. I might have to do some adjusting. I'm afraid right now it feels like the back is doing something crazy. It's barely even, I guess. Alright, we'll see what happens when it's clean. Oh boy. Okay, I'm back. I have washed and mostly dried my hair. It doesn't look nearly as bad as I was afraid it was going to. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it yet. For right now, this is fine, although I feel totally some old school hair going on here. But anyway, this is it. This is what the back looks like. I mean, I'm not terribly upset. I did go a little shorter than I intended to go, but you know, it'll grow back, God willing. All right, thanks.